and with Shah Rukh Khan, why not? I would love to watch Kahani on the big screen again. माधुरी दीक्षित खुद नृत्य है. She's dance.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja from Bollywood Life. She's talented, versatile, and stunning. Her infectious laugh can light up any room. Whenever she is on screen, we cannot take our eyes off of her brilliant performances. This time again, she bewitched us as Manjulika. Yes, I'm talking about Vidya Balan. Have you ever wondered how does she do it again and again? Cast us such a spell on us with her brilliant performances? Well, let's find out the same. Hi Vidya.
Hi Pooja.
Firstly, congratulations for the love that you have received for Manjulika
Thank
again.
you.
So, when you signed up to play Manjulika again to reprise it, did you expect that this is the kind of love you'll receive for the character?
No, but from the time of the announcement, people started asking me, "You're doing Bhool Bhulaiya 3? कब release हो रही है?" And I was like, कितनी मेरी movies announce हुई है, पर the sort of interest people showed in this film was like, I've not had those kind of reactions before. So I was like, wow. So there was a lot of anticipation and excitement, which, made me feel like, okay, it was a little bit of, I won't say there was no pressure, but you feel like, oh God, I hope I live up to people's expectations, and the film lives up to people's expectations, thankfully. It has, and I'm receiving so much love. I thought it would do well, but I didn't know anything beyond, but it's doing fabulously well, and I'm receiving so much love. I just feel humbled. I'm not one of those people who thinks about these things really, but I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy.
I know the dance sequence, the dance off between you and Madhuri ma'am, that's been talked about a lot. It's something, it comes immediately after the interval. It's like, तुम अगर time पे आए तो तुम्हारा people have been looking forward to that also जब से वो trailer में भी दिखाया था. But obviously on screen looks beautiful, both of you dancing gracefully. But tell me what was behind the scenes, what was going on in your mind? Because she's Madhuri ma'am, everyone knows. But I'm pretty sure you must have had that okay. Because even though you are also incredible, like in the first Bhool Bhulaiya we saw it, but then कुछ pressure था, ऐसा stress था?
नहीं था, because माधुरी दीक्षित खुद नृत्य है. She's dance. She's not just a dancer. So I felt like, मुझे रिहर्सल के लिए टाइम चाहिए, और मैं 2 और 2 प्यार प्रमोट कर रही थी. तो साथ साथ जब भी 2 हफ्तों की आई थिंक 2 हफ्ते बचे थे शूट के लिए, जब मुझे पता चला कि माधुरी मैम भी गाना करने वाली है. फिर मेरे प्रमोशंस चल रहे थे, सो प्रमोशंस के साथ साथ मैंने रिहर्स किया. जब जब वक्त मिलता, किसी दिन आधा घंटा मिलता, किसी दिन 1 घंटा, कभी 2 घंटे मिल जाते, जब भी वक्त मिलता मैं जाके रिहर्स करती. और इसी तरह मैंने, बिकॉज आई सेड मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी उनके साथ खड़े रहने के लिए. इज्जत बचाने के लिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी.
Good.
Thank you, but I enjoyed the shoot and she was lovely.
So the twist in Bhool Bhulaiya is quite unexpected, because Manjulika, the character, the story has always been about a it's a woman's story, and people associate you with Manjulika. That's why when it was announced that you are going to return as Manjulika, there was this excitement. But then obviously there's this twist, a diverse twist. So when you got to know that, okay, ye hone wala hai, so what was the reaction, your first reaction to knowing that, acha, this is how it's going to end? And what do you think of Karthik's performance?
I thought it was a mind-blowing, unexpected end. When I heard the narration, I didn't see it coming. I was like, wow! ये मजा आ गया. क्योंकि ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. जब सोचा था भूल भुलैया के बारे में, तो see, of course, I'm not a writer, so I didn't know which way it could go. But this is definitely not one of the things I'd imagined. So I thought it was amazing, and Karthik has done amazingly well. It's just, and there's a laugh that he does in that climax. Oh my God. It's a pained laughter. It's just, oof, too good.
And the original Bhool Bhulaiya, the first one, it's loved so much. Okay, and obviously, not everyone is welcome to a sequel or a third movie, all of this. So, did you have that pressure? Because I think only you can understand that someone who has been a part of that Bhool Bhulaiya ki, okay, will people accept this? Obviously, the love is out there. But then obviously there are people who will always be like, no, you shouldn't have touched a classic. इसको नहीं, आगे हमको नहीं चाहिए था.
Which is why I didn't do 2. Because I didn't want to touch it. But when 3 happened, I loved the script. And I felt like with Anees Bazni as director, it's only going to get better. Because I love Anees bhai's work. So I felt कि कर लेते हैं, मजा आएगा. Because it's also on paper itself, it was a very fun, entertaining, strong script. So, and I feel like, Monjulika is actually, for me, she's a feminine energy that has been suppressed.
Actually, that makes sense.
Na? So, I feel that's what it is. So, I feel that it's moved in the right direction. What else could you have done? People already knew I was Monjulika.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
So, how could you have played with it? Even if they could have, I can't,
Like you said, it's something only a writer
Yeah.
can think,
So, I think it was just perfect.
And Vidya, your career has been interesting. You have given such incredible performances. Like a few days ago, we were just sitting and discussing with a few journalists that how you brought back those women-led movies like into the industry. It's like you see, like a person sees a filmography and she has done everything. But then I want to know it from you. You have done all kind of characters, but then what is it that you feel like, nahi, mujhe ye karna hai? What is on your wish list?
I want to do an out-and-out comedy and a badass, a negative character.
Oh yes, I think.
Yeah.
Comedy, you have an incredible comedy timing. I think baddest character we would love to see.
Yeah, I'd love, and there's so many kinds of women I've still not played. Lots of work to do.
And which brings me to my next question, that in today, like in Bollywood today, the kind of characters written for women, they are quite different now. Like there used to be a time when after a certain age, actress would give in motherly characters, even if just completely capable of playing a romantic lead or lead a movie. Do you think that has changed today, or there's still more room for progress?
No, there is always room for progress, not only in this area but in life, I feel. But I definitely think that has changed. Look at the number of actresses. I'm 45 and I'm still playing the lead, and I'm doing women-led films, and I think there are so many women around us. There's Madhuri ma'am, there's Kareena. She's in her 40s. I don't know her exact age, but she's a mother to previously. All those things would be like, once you were a wife, you were a mother, then no one looked at you the same way. That's long gone, and I'm so happy about it. Alia.
Yeah.
So I definitely think it's changed.
Yeah, but do you still think that can be done better? Like
no, of course, there's always room for progress. There are things that we can change and make better, and but we have to realize that whatever happens, the stories we see on the big screen or the films that are made are a reflection of what's happening around us.
Right.
So as we women stop feeling like our lives are over in our 40s, women will continue to play the hero even in their 50s and their 60s and their 70s. We are part of that change, and I'm so glad to be in cinema at this time when that thing is changing, when it's being turned on its head.
And but also the flip side of like what's happening in the industry right now is movie starring big actors are not working right now. But like something like Munja will work, but a big budget movie will not work in a theater. And what do you think that's something that's missing, or something that is audience that is expecting from Hindi movies?
I think it's, we can't generalize, Pooja. I feel it's Bhool Bhulaiya 3 has worked. Singham has worked. Munjia, like you said, has worked. 3 has worked.
Yes.
So all kinds of films are working. Right. I feel that we can't say that films with big stars are not working. Some films, don't work. हर फिल्म की किस्मत होती है. It's a sad truth we all have to contend with. But the truth is that as long as a film is good, it has a chance of working. then sometimes very small films which are good don't get, are not distributed widely enough to be watched by enough people. Those are other issues we won't get into. But I'm saying when they're given a fair chance, a good film will always work.
Right.
And when maybe that's not fair. I feel that, yeah, हर film की किस्मत होती है. Because by that measure, when I said good films always work, that means films that don't work are not good. That's not true.
Yeah, that's right. And now re-releases are working a lot. People are like just going to theaters watching these re-releases. What do you have to say about this? What is it? What nostalgia like do you think is pulling people towards theaters? And I want to know any of your movies you want to release again in theaters.
I would love to watch Kahani on the big screen again.
I was hoping I would.
Yeah?
I was in college. I couldn't watch it on the big screen back then. But yeah.
Yeah, I'd love to watch Kahani, and I feel it's timeless. So I wish they released it again. I think it's fantastic, yeah. Just to bring people back to the theater. Because वो आदत थोड़ी सी हमारी छूट गई है. हम थोड़े से आलसी हो गए. So at least maybe the lure of watching one of your favorite films on the big screen will bring people back.
Yeah. Now I'm getting a chance, so I'll ask you this question. What was going on in your mind when you were shooting for Kahani? Because as a viewer, until you don't know the twist, you're constantly anxious ki, oh my god, she's pregnant.
Yeah.
What was going on in your mind ki when you were playing that character, knowing ki what's the reality and what you have to portray to the on camera?
जैसा दिखता है वैसा है नहीं. I had to maintain that throughout the film. I knew the script like the back of my hand, and yet when I was performing, I obviously had to give you the impression that I didn't know what was happening, right?
Yeah.
And even though as a character she knows exactly what's happening. So I think those kind of characters are also very interesting to explore, and Kahani was one of my first. I enjoyed it. I just felt like, oh wow, such a smart, incredible woman.
Yeah.
And what a story. It's really called Kahani, a mother of a story. It really is.
Right. And I don't know if I'm sure you must have seen this online, how your fans online, they like make these posters, these edits with you and Shah Rukh Khan because people want to see you.
Really? I've not seen that.
You have not seen what I was saying. People want to see you. It's also with Tabu and you that they want to see you and Shah Rukh in a very mature, romantic or steamy love story.
Right.
These are the things. I think this discussion has been happening for good 2 to 3 years. Ki Shah Rukh Khan and Vidya Balan, like together they will look hot together and they should get that kind of love story.
Yeah, I love that. Firstly, I'm a sucker for romances, and a mature love story would be great, but mature and fun.
Yes.
And with Shah Rukh Khan, why not?
I'm surprised like you did not know, because I think
a few people have told me, but I didn't know they're creating these posters and all that.
They do that. Okay. And another thing that I really appreciate about you is how vocal you have been about your weight loss journey, or when you used to get body shamed. So where do you get this confidence to speak about these issues? Because usually how it's expected as actors, you're not supposed to talk, or even as people कि नहीं इन सब के बारे में नहीं बात करो कि तुमको you're being facing this or that करके. But so how do you bring that confidence? Because when someone who is at that stage, someone like you is talking about it, it gives people like us the confidence to speak up कि अच्छा ये तो मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है and these are the issues. How do you do that?
I think I'm my father's daughter. He's just a very transparent person. So I don't think I made an effort to be that, but I think that's who I've ended up being. वो सब कुछ खुल के बोलते हैं, तो मुझे भी वही आदत लग गई है. I think that's the only explanation. मुझे नहीं पता.
Are you open to doing OTT, like web series, long format shows?
Yes, I am, but I've not found anything exciting yet. Also, I feel that इस वक्त ना OTT पे सब कुछ सेम लगता है मुझे. वही खून खराबा, वही मुझे थोड़ा.
So what kind of
I want to do something happy, yeah. Yes. Or if I'm getting to play a really negative character and it's really compelling, I'll do it.
Yeah. I hope you get that offer now that people will see and be like, okay. But yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
Pooja.
And congratulations again for Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Looking forward to more of such
Thank
amazing
you.
performance.
Thanks, Pooja.
Thank you.